Guys, this is the MI tripod, and this is can also be transformed into a selfie stick. So this is quite an interesting product, and this is my first unboxing, so let's start. So here there is written manufactured by Beijing Yum Technologies, and this is a ecosystem of MI company, and let's unbox it. In the box you get the selfie stick itself wrapped in this, and a user manual and the Bluetooth shutter button, which is quite difficult to remove. Oh, it's out. So let's open it. Another box, and this is the MI shutter, as you can see, and it can be attached here, and this is the selfie stick. So let's test this out. It connects quite seamlessly with your phone. As you can see, I have connected it. Now let's test it. Connects quite easily, and I'm telling you, this is very good, and it can also like we can make this a tripod, and it can stand on its own. This, and this button also works quite well. I am really amazed with this product. Let's talk about build quality. The build quality is good, but it's made of plastic, but still it's quite sturdy and really good. So there are some features that I would like to tell you because they are really special. And one thing, that this can be rotated 360 degree around, as you can see here I am doing. If you want the remote backside, you can keep it backside, and that is a really good option. And as you can see, it gives you the option to tilt anywhere 360 degrees, and this is an excellent option for it. And one thing, that this tripod is also quite sturdy, and you can use phone with touch, and it will wobble a bit, but it's quite sturdy. This MI remote. This remote shutter is powered by a 60 mAh battery, which can be recharged by this micro USB cable, and this can be charged in 15 minutes or less, and it will last for 2-3 days if you are a casual user like me. And this is really good feature of this MI tripod. This also shows a LED light when you have connected, and when I have switched off, it switches off like this, and when I want to switch on, it starts to pair. It has paired automatically so fast, and I like this, that its connectivity is really easy. As you can see, it is connected when whole light has glown. And let's put it back. Use this for video conferencing with your friends and family, and this is quite good as it is really sturdy and can be tilted 360 degree. If you want to use that selfie stick, you can actually distance it and video conference. And this stick does not come in between the camera, as some selfie sticks do come. So this is a really good tripod for those who are smartphone vloggers like me, because it has a tripod and you can shoot your videos in selfie mode too. So this is a really good deal, and I just love this product, and I think you should also buy it. This is for 1099, and this is really good product. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So with that being said, this is Bernard signing off, and meet you in the next one.